Today we are at the 6th day ending session of the STTP. Our HOD of EEE Department, Tamil Chelvi Madam, is also present over here. I request Dr. P. Usharani, Coordinator, come Professor of RMD EEE Department, to preside over the session. Thank you, Madam.
Thank you, sir. I welcome all the participants. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. Good afternoon, HOD ma'am, dear participants, dear faculty members. A warm greetings from RMD Engineering College Department. For the valedictory session, I invite you all. Outcome of STTP. I request all the participants kindly come forward and say few words about the STTP conducted by us.
Good afternoon to all the participants. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. So good afternoon to all the participants who gathered here. So I'm Nageshwari from RMK College of Engineering and Technology. So I'm attending the AICTE sponsored online STTP program on mitigation of power quality issues in distributed generation system using custom power devices, phase 3. Starting from 14th to till today morning. So I could not able to point out all the sessions, madam, because all the sessions were excellent and all the speakers also you have arranged excellent speakers, ma'am, like from IIT Madras, all are from IITs only, I think. IIT Madras, NIT and Anna University, and so few speakers from practical sessions also from TNEB, and all the speakers were delivered lecture very excellent, and those who are doing research in this field, that is power quality or smart grid, so they are benefited out of this phase 3 STTP. I hope so, ma'am. I got so many inputs from all the sessions, and it was very excellent and very useful program, madam. I hope in future, if you are conducting the same kind of STTP or some other webinars, means you kindly post it to the WhatsApp group so that we can follow it, madam. So thank you for giving me this opportunity, madam. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
and all the coordinators also very well they have intimated all the timings and etc. So a pakka organization, madam. So I once again I thank you for all the organizers also. Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon to all. Madam, I'm audible? Am I audible,
Yes,
madam?
Yes, yes.
Urmila, madam.
Yes, madam. Ma'am, I am K. Urmila, lecturer, AMK Technological Polytechnic College. I take this opportunity to express my views about this program. I wish to share that I participated in the previous phase 2 program also. So from these two programs, I could see the effort, dedication and commitment put behind by the organizers to bring out the best minds in the field of teaching, like Anna University, IITs and NITs, and experts from the field like TNEB and LMAC, Balamurugan sir and Jyoti Prakash sir, to address the power quality issues. And all the sessions were packed with information, case studies and real-time simulation results were really informative and eye-opener for people doing research in this area. This STTP is on par with any NPTEL or SPIAM course, and I am proud to be part of it. Starting from the registration of the STTP and forming of WhatsApp group, sharing of Excel sheet of participant, everyday announcement, posting of attendance, feedback links, impeccable coordination and execution, madam. I thank the convener of this program, Dr. V. Tamilselvi madam, and the coordinator, madam, Dr. Usharani, and the team and RMD College for giving me once again the opportunity to participate in this STTP. Thank you once again, madam. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, madam. I am Dr. D. Lakshmi from working as an associate professor in Amit University, Kanatur. Actually, this is a second STTP program. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. You can proceed.
Third one,
This
ma'am.
second ST program. First, I have attended FDP in RMD college, and this is a second one which I am attending. So the organization is a very good planned manner. Starting from the registration to, as the previous madam told, starting from registration to there is a end day, valediction day. Everything is in a Pakka plan, and we are having. They have shared many. There is IIT people, and then Anandist is a professor, NIT Tiruchi professor, and then the industry person, there is TNAB sir, and Fluke company. We are also having that Fluke company power quality analyzer. Power quality analyzer, we are using that. So it is very useful for us to get the knowledge from regarding this power quality, and it will be very, very much useful. Those who are doing project, that is a PhD research in the power quality. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, madam. I expect a few more faculty members throughout India you are attending. Come forward and feel free
Good afternoon,
to
madam.
talk. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, sir.
Shall I speak, madam?
You are
Yes,
audible,
sir.
sir. Audible, sir.
Yeah. Okay, madam. I am Subbarao from Narayana Engineering College, Nellore, madam.
Okay.
So this is the third one. I think I am attending this STTP, madam. So this is very technically very informative and very good, madam. We gained a lot of knowledge from this STTP. So especially my special thanks to organizers, Usharani madam, for answering our queries patiently. In future also, we want to attend more number of webinars, madam. So keep on going, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
This is Anand, professor working in Bengal Institute of Technology. First of all, I would like to thank the organizers and the Department of EEE of R&D Engineering College for organizing such a very good STTP program, and the efforts taken by them is very much appreciable. They have conducted this STTP in a very well organized manner without any pandemonium, and it went very well. The sessions are conducted by different experts from IIT, MIT, and Anna University. They have given a very informative session, which will help the researchers to gain more knowledge about the field. The topics covered with respect to power quality issues and mitigation techniques and distributed generation system, they are very much informative, and it will help the researchers to open their views on those topics in a wide manner. I once again thank the entire team for putting this effort in making this STTP in a very good manner.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Professor Ramesh GB from KLS Gupta Institute of Technology, Belagavi, Karnataka. So this was a wonderful experience. Since last 1.5 months, I am attending all the STTPs which you have conducted by you. Okay, so this is the third STTP successfully you are completing, and I appreciate your concern towards the program, towards STTP. So you have put a lot of efforts. I would like to thank all the team, entire team, including HOD ma'am, Usharani madam, and all the coordinators. What I would like to say is, All the sessions, I think all the sessions are very informative and very good. Okay, and the topic is also very relevant to the present days. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for organizing such a wonderful STTP.
Thank you, sir. Anyone from NIT? I request any one of the faculty member, few members are attending, kindly come forward. So Avinash Deshpande, sir.
Hello, madam. Yes, madam. Hello, madam.
Yes, sir. Kindly give your feedback, sir.
Yes, madam. Thank you very much, madam. First of all, for giving me an opportunity to participate in this AICTE sponsored workshop. I attended almost all sessions. Speakers have delivered a very good lectures. I actually was very much benefited by all the lectures, madam, because I am doing research related to power quality. So I was able to get good information related to power quality. In fact, I have attended all the 3 sessions, all the 3 previous 2 workshops also organized by RMD. So all the speakers were really good, and I really, I'm really thankful to you, madam. You have given me an opportunity to participate in all the 3 workshops, So I'm extremely thankful to you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Dr. MNG Kumar, sir. I expect a few more participants. Kindly give your feedback. Arranging valedictorians only for the getting feedback.
Good afternoon, madam.
Yes, sir.
I am Parameshwar from Vidya Jyoti Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, madam, Telangana. I attended RMD earlier phase 1, phase 2 also. And this is very much useful for me, madam, because I am doing research work on power quality improvement in smart grid. Regarding information about custom power devices, some of the information is not available in internet also. So this is very much useful for me. So I thank the organizers and the management of RMD College, and also all the NIT and IIT guest speakers for sharing their knowledge. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon to all.
Yes, sir.
Myself, ma'am, Akhilesh Sharma from Northeastern Institute of Science and Technology, near Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh. And first of all, I would like to congratulate you and your entire team who has carried out such a wonderful FDP. And of course, I am doing PhD here, so I am totally benefited from this workshop. And I would also like to thank one of my friend, Anand Nagarajan, so who shared this link to join this FDP. So it is really good for us, researchers like us, and of course, we all are benefited. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving this opportunity to attend.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, Sharini madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, madam.
You can proceed, ma'am.
I'm Sudharani from Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, Telangana. It was very nice STTP conducted by you, madam. I have attended STTP 1 and now I have attended STTP 3 from you. This is useful for my PhD work, madam. And very great eminent speakers have given very nice lecture, and the information given provided by them is really helpful for my work, PhD work. Thank you so much, madam. So nice of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Any participant is willing to speak? Thank you, participants, for your valuable feedback given by you. I thank all the participants who have given the feedback. Now let me read out the report of STTP Phase 3. Respected Principal Sir, respected Colonel B. Venkat, Director Faculty Development Cell, AICTE, New Delhi, respected HOD Ma'am, dear faculty members and dear participants, a very good afternoon to all. First, I would like to thank our Honorable Chairman Sir, the one who has established this amazing learning emporium for us. I would also like to thank our beloved Vice Chairman Sir, who always forces to build a proficient teacher-student society. I thank our management for having given permission and facilities to conduct this 6 days online STTP. I thank AICTE for sponsoring this program. I extremely thank our beloved principal, who is the source of inspiration for all of us. His constant encouragement and guidance made us to host events like this STTPs 1, 2, 3 without difficulties. I extend my sincere thanks to our HOD for guiding and motivating us in each and every part of this event. About the STTP, to list few, we have conducted STTP 1 in the month of July 20 to 25th. Approximately total count participants attended as 118. STTP 2 in the month of August 17th to 24, 104 participants have attended. We have successfully completed phase 3 also with your help. AICTE sponsors 6 days online STTP on power quality enhancement in distributed generation systems using custom power devices during the period September 14th to 19th. We are very fortunate to have Professor Dr. Mahesh Kumar, IIT Chennai, for inaugurating and delivering the session for STTP 1 Phase 3. I extend my warm greetings to all the eminent speakers who have spent their valuable time with us in delivering online lectures with the case studies. First, I thank Professor Dr. Mahesh Kumar, IIT Madras, Dr. G. Uma Ma'am, Professor, Anna University, Dr. Somasundaram, Professor, Anna University, Dr. MP Selvam, Associate Professor, NIT Trichy, Dr. Premlata Jana, Associate Professor, IIT Roorkee, Dr. Vijay Kumar, IIIT DM Kanjipuram, Dr. Balamurali, Executive Engineer, TAN Transco, Dr. Sharmila, Associate Professor, Anna University, Dr. Uma Maheshwari, Professor from Rajalakshmi Engineering College, Mr. Muniraj and Mr. Jyoti Prakash from Elmac Engineering Services. I thank all the eminent speakers. 65 persons throughout nation have attended this STTP phase 3. All the state it covers. Vivekananda course on education. The very essence of education is concentration of mind. Education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man. There is only one purpose in the whole of life is education. I thank enthusiastic and energetic participants who have attended this STTP. I thank all the participants who have made the sessions live. All sessions were interactive and very informative. I request the participants to impart to the students whatever they have learned in this STTP. This is the main motto of conducting such events. Few resource persons also attended for few sessions, which shows that teaching learning process is a continuous one. I take this opportunity to thank our organizing committee members, Dr. Srivatsan, Mr. Praveen Kumar Reddy, Mr. Sai Kumar, and all other faculty members for our department staff. I thank Almighty for having good health during this pandemic period for all. Once again, I thank you all. I request our HOD Madam, Dr. V. Tamishalvi, Professor and Head Convener of STTP program, to give valedictory address. I welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you, madam. Good afternoon to one and all present here. And already madam mentioned that this is the third phase of STTP. I would like to welcome you all for the valedictory function of this third phase of our STTP function. And as well as you know that getting the ACT sponsored STTP itself is a great thing. And apart from that, in this pandemic period, our professor, Dr. P. Usharani, who is the organizer of this STTP, she played a lot of role in this related to this STTP in bringing all the resource persons, not only from the academic institutions, but also from the industry also. You know that in this period, they are also very busy with their schedule, but even then she she always conduct in each and every function in a very success manner. So she talked to them and she got the appointment with each and everyone, and she arranged for each and every session a reputed person for each and every topic. Just like that, she didn't arrange each and every session. So apart from my words, you can able to
HOD Madam will be joining soon. Kindly wait for a few minutes.
Sorry for the interruption. Sorry for the interruption. So she arranged this session, and apart from my words, you can able to know that since you have attended all the sessions, you know in what way the sessions have been made, and the resource persons have enhanced the knowledge of you people in power quality issues. And I would like to thank our faculty members in all the three phases. They also coordinated with our coordinator madam in order to conduct this session in a very peaceful manner as well as in a successful manner. And I would like to thank our management for conducting this session with a very good manner in order to have all the sessions with a good number of participants as well as with reputed persons. And I would like to thank all the participants because even though we are conducting all the sessions, without you, we could not able to achieve this kind of success in conducting this STTP. So I thank all the participants, those who have attended, not only in this phase, in all the 3 phases. Apart from your academic schedule, you attended this program and you enhanced the knowledge, and I hope that it will be very useful for you in your research work, and I pray Almighty for your health as well as be home and be safe. Even if you are not in home, always be safe because we have not come out of this pandemic period, even though the lockdown has been released. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we have vote of thanks session by Mr. Sai Kumar sir or Dr. Srivatsan sir. Hello. Sir. Sai Kumar sir. I thank all the participants. Without your help, without your support, we can't conduct all the 3 STTPs. We have conducted in a smooth manner. I already mentioned the participants throughout India have attended from IIT and NIT, then all the engineering colleges through all states. It covers all states. If I want to mention, I have to read out so many. I'm really happy. Thank you very much for your cooperation. I thank all the participants. I thank our HOD madam for having present and delivered the address to the valedictory function, and our faculty members. Thank you all. Sai Kumar sir, photo session.